Credit cards can be useful tools, but you need to use them responsibly. Irresponsible use can hurt you. It can lead to debt and damage your credit score. Think of a credit card as a loan. When you use it, you are borrowing money. You must pay back what you borrow. You also need to pay interest if you don't pay in full each month. Using a credit card wisely can build your credit history. A good credit history helps you get loans in the future. These loans can be for things like a car or a house. Remember, credit cards are not free money. Use them carefully and pay your balance on time. This will help you avoid problems in the future. BPI offers many different credit cards. Each card has its own benefits and perks. Before choosing a card, think about your spending habits. Do you travel a lot? Do you shop online frequently? Choose a card that fits your lifestyle. Always pay your balance in full by the due date. This will help you avoid interest charges. Interest charges can add up quickly. They make it harder to pay off your balance. Take advantage of balance transfer offers. These offers let you transfer your balance from another card. You may get a lower interest rate for a certain period. BPI often has promotional periods. These promotions might offer bonus points or cash back. Keep an eye out for these offers. They can help you save money. BPI credit cards come with rewards programs. You earn points for every purchase you make. The more you use your card, the more points you earn. You can redeem your points for various things. These might include travel, shopping vouchers, or even cash rebates. Many BPI credit cards offer installment plans. This allows you to pay for big purchases over time. You pay a fixed amount each month. This makes it easier to manage your budget. Some BPI cards offer travel perks. These can include airport lounge access and travel insurance. If you travel frequently, these perks can be very valuable. BPI also provides online and mobile banking for easy account management. You can check your balance, pay your bills, and redeem rewards easily. Always track your spending. Know where your money is going. This helps you stay within your budget. It also helps you avoid overspending. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget helps you manage your money. It helps you make sure you have enough money to cover your expenses. If you find yourself struggling to pay your credit card bills, seek help. Contact BPI immediately. They may be able to offer solutions. These might include a temporary reduction in your minimum payment or a payment plan. Remember, a credit card can be a valuable financial tool when used responsibly. Using your BPI credit card